Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel English Improvement Hub. If you're new here, I'm so happy you're joining us today. In this video, you will learn English through a story, but not just any story. This one is special. It's about Emma, a young woman who travels to Paris, France, and explores famous places like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and more. Through her journey, you will not only hear a beautiful story, but also practice speaking English fluently, using a powerful method called the shadowing technique. So, what is shadowing? Let me explain it clearly. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve your English speaking and pronunciation, even if you are just a beginner. It is simple, natural, and very effective. It means that you listen to English and repeat it immediately, just like an echo. You don't translate in your head. You don't wait. You just listen and speak. How do you use shadowing in this video? Very simple. I will speak slowly and clearly. After each sentence, you will pause the video and repeat exactly what I say. Say it out loud with the same speed, same voice, and same feeling. You can do this many times. The more you repeat, the better you speak. So, relax, sit back, get ready to learn English the fun way. Let's start speaking together. Emma is a young woman who lives in London. She works every day and feels tired. One morning, she opens her window and sees the rain. She thinks, I need a break. She wants to visit a beautiful place, somewhere new and exciting. Her friend says, why not go to Paris? Emma smiles. She says, yes, that's perfect. Emma books a flight and flies to Paris. When she arrives, the weather is sunny and the air feels fresh. She looks around and sees lovely buildings, wide streets, and people sitting in cafés. Everything looks beautiful and calm. She takes a taxi to her hotel near the Eiffel Tower. From her window, she can see the top of the tower shining in the sunlight. Emma writes in her notebook, Paris looks like a dream. The next day, Emma goes to the Eiffel Tower. It is tall, strong, and made of iron. Many people are taking photos and enjoying the view. Emma buys a ticket and takes the elevator to the top. From there, she can see all of Paris. She sees the river, the small streets, and the beautiful buildings. The wind touches her face and she feels happy. She says softly, this is one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. After visiting the tower, Emma goes to the Louvre Museum. The building is very big and has a glass pyramid at the entrance. Inside, there are many rooms full of art. Emma walks slowly and looks at the paintings and statues. She stops in front of the Mona Lisa. The painting is small, but her smile is famous. Emma stands quietly and feels the beauty of art. She thinks, this museum is full of stories from the past. Later that day, Emma feels hungry. She finds a small cafe and sits at a table outside. The waiter brings her a menu. She chooses a croissant and a cup of coffee. The croissant is warm and soft. It tastes amazing. She also tries French cheese and a long piece of bread called a baguette. For dinner, she tries escargot, which are cooked snails. At first, she is nervous, but then she likes the taste. For dessert, she enjoys a sweet dish called crème brûlée. She writes in her notebook, French food is full of surprises. The next morning, Emma walks down the Champs-Élysées, a famous shopping street. She sees many fashion stores with beautiful clothes. In the window, there are dresses, coats, and shoes that look elegant and modern. Paris is known for style, and everyone looks fashionable. Emma buys a light scarf and a simple handbag. When she puts them on, she feels more confident. She smiles and says, now I look like a Parisian. In the evening, Emma finds a quiet cafe near a small square. She sits at a table and watches the people around her. Some couples walk hand in hand. Others talk and laugh softly. The music from a street performer plays in the background. Emma drinks a cup of hot chocolate and writes in her notebook. She writes, Paris feels like love. The lights, the sounds, and the people make this city special. During her trip, Emma talks to a few local people. She says, hello, I'm Emma. I'm from London. The people are friendly and smile. Some speak English and some speak French. Emma learns a few French words like bonjour for hello and merci for thank you. She practices saying them every day. She feels proud of learning a new language. She thinks, speaking another language helps me connect with people. On her final day, Emma returns to the Eiffel Tower. She sits on the grass and watches the sky change colour as the sun goes down. The tower starts to shine with golden lights. Emma takes a deep breath and feels peaceful. She remembers everything she saw and learned in Paris, the art, the food, the people, and the feeling of love in the air. She writes one last note: Paris will stay in my heart forever. Thank you for listening to Emma's journey. Paris is a city full of beauty, art, fashion, and feelings. Emma saw many places and learned many things. She practiced speaking, met new people, and felt the magic of travel. Now it's your turn. Use this story to practice your English. Listen to it again. Repeat the sentences. Speak out loud. That is how you improve with shadowing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this. Also, tell me in the comments, which part of the story did you like most? Was it the Eiffel Tower, the food, the fashion? I read every comment and I love seeing your progress. You are not alone in this journey. We're learning together. Thank you for watching, for listening, and for speaking with me. I'm proud of you. See you in the next video.